17 of your math textbook, children, now. 17. 17 of your math textbook. See, yesterday we have started this arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest. So there are some questions which we have to complete today. Okay, some questions were left, so we will complete them today. Okay, yesterday I think we did till question number C. So now we'll move to the next bit, that is D bit. Right, children? So now I'll be sharing my screen with you all, and then we'll start by arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest. Okay, Siddharth, now you can keep your book down. Okay, children, and see, I'll be sharing my screen with you all. So if you have any doubt, you can raise your hand, children. Okay, you can raise your hand if you have any doubt. Not like this, you have option in your meeting. You have to use that option. Yes, children? So yesterday we did till bit number C. So today we'll move to the next one, and now the question is 11, 5, 8 and 13. Now you have to arrange these four numbers, that is 11, 5, 8 and 13, from small to big, or you can say from smallest to biggest. Right, children? So yesterday we did know, again I will repeat that thing, that a two-digit number is always greater than the one-digit number. Again I am repeating, a two-digit number is always greater than a one-digit number, and if you have to compare the two numbers having two digits, what you have to do? You have to compare the number in tens place. The number in tens place. Okay, children? And if the number in tens place are same, then you have to move on to the number in ones place. Right? Then you will compare the number in ones place, children. We did this yesterday, no? So quickly what we will do do all these questions. Okay? D, question number D is there. We'll do this one. Okay. So you have to compare the number 11, 5, 8 and 13. 11, 5, 8 and 13. And see your children, number 5 and 8 has only one digit. 5 and 8 has only one digit. So obviously these number will be the smaller number, right? But we have to find out which number we have to write first. So we will write 5 or we will write 8 first. See, children, we know that 5 is always smaller than 8. So in the first box, what we will write? We will write there 5. Okay. After 5, what is that number? 8. Those who have completed, please keep on checking your answers. Now you have to compare the number 11 and 13. See, children, in number 11 and in number 13, in tens place we have 1. In tens place we have 1. So we cannot say anything which number is smaller or which number is greater. So what we will do is, we will move to the number in tens place. In tens, sorry children, in tens place we have 1. In tens place we have 1 in both the numbers, so we cannot say anything. So what we will do, we will move to the number in ones place. So in 11 we have 1 in ones place, and if we talk about the number 13, in ones place we have 3. In ones place we have 3. So children, we have to compare this number 1 and 3, and we know that 1 is always smaller than 3. So 11 is smaller than 13. So first we will write 11 and then we will write 13. Okay, children? Now we will move to EBIT. You have to compare the numbers 13, 8, 17 and 18. See here children. Again you have only one number here which has one digit. So this will be the smallest number. This will be the smallest number and that number is 8. So in the first box children you will write 8. You will write 8. Okay. Now you have to compare the numbers 13, 17 and 18. 13, 17 and 18. Okay. Mayuri, you tell me after 8, what should I write?
After 8.
Yes.
13.
Okay, Mayuri, very good. Then after 13?
13 after.
Tell me which number is smaller, 17 or 18?
17. 1 minute.
17. Mayuri, it's 17. What? Okay, after 17?
After 17, after 18.
Very good, Mayuri. Thank you so much. Good girl. Sai Joshit, you tell me. Answer for F bit, Sai Joshit. Which is the smallest number? What I should write in the first box? Yes, Sai Joshit. Tell me.
Which one, ma'am?
F bit. F bit is there, no? Number is 3, 14, 12 and 7. Tell me the smallest number. Okay. C. 3. Okay, very good. Then after 3, what I should write?
7.
Very good. Then?
12.
Very good. Then last one?
9. 14.
Very good, Sai Joshit. Very good. Very good. Okay, children, those who have completed, please check your answers. Those who have completed, please check your answers, children. Okay. After this, children, turn the page and come to page number 18. Turn the page. Turn your page, children, and come to page number 18. Come to page number 18, children. Question number 2 is there. And here you have to arrange the number from biggest to smallest. From biggest to smallest. Okay. So whenever you have to compare the number, whenever you have to write the numbers or arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest, what you will do, children, you will first write the biggest number. Okay. You will start writing from the biggest number. So children, keep on looking on your screen. I request you all to look on your screen. Children, look on your screen. Okay. So first bit is 11, 13, 18 and 12. Numbers are 11, 13, 18 and 12. If you will see properly, children, in tens place, in all the numbers, we have 1. In tens place, in all the numbers, we have 1. So children, we cannot say anything which number is smaller or which number is bigger by comparing the number in tens place. So what we will do? We will start comparing the number in ones place. In ones place. Okay. So see here, children. In ones place, if we talk about the number 11, we have 1. Then we'll move to the number 13, we have 3. Then if we'll talk about the number 18, in ones place, we have 8. And if we talk about the number 12, we have 2 in tens place. Right, children? So you have to compare the number now in ones place. So we have 1, 3, 8 and 2 in ones place. So children, we all know that 1 is the smallest number. If we'll compare 1, 3, 8 and 2. Okay. So 11 will come. So sorry, we have to arrange these numbers from biggest to smallest. So we will write the biggest number first. And if we compare the number 1, 3, 8 and 2, 8 is the biggest number. So in the first box, we will write 18. We will write 18. Okay, children? Now, after 8, what can we write? We will write 13 because 13 is bigger than 11 and 12. Now we have number 11 and 12. So now we have to see which number is bigger. See children, 12 is bigger than 11. So we will write 12 first and we will write 11 in the last box. Okay? Yes children. Now Manha, you tell me answer for B bit. 10, 7, 3, 9. Which is the biggest number, Manha?
10, 7, 3, 9.
10.
10. Very good. Then after 10? Yes, Manha?
16.
No. You have to compare 7, 3 and 9, Manha. Which is bigger? 9 is bigger or 7 is bigger?
9.
Okay, very good. Then, now tell me which is bigger, 7 or 3?
7.
Very good. Then last one is?
3.
Very good, Manha. Very good. Good girl. Ananya, you tell me answer for C bit, Ananya.
6.
Yes, ma'am.
Ananya, tell me the biggest number here. 20, 10, 16 or 11?
20.
Very good then.
16.
Children, keep on writing answers and check your answers also. Then?
11.
Very good. Then?
10.
Very good, Ananya. Very good. Good girl. Okay. Good girl. Veda, you tell me answer for D bit, Veda. Veda, tell me which is the biggest number here. 5, 18, 3 or 14? Veda? Yes, Veda, tell me the biggest number. Huh?
20.
20, 60.
No, Veda. D bit. 5, 18, 3 or 14. Which is the biggest number?
19, 14,
18.
5,
Number is 18. Number is 18, Veda.
18. 18, 14, చెప్పు.
18, 14.
18, then 4. After 18, 14, then
5,
is 5 and last one is?
3.
Okay, very good, Veda. Very good. Asra, you tell me answer for E bit, Asra. Which number is the biggest? 10, 15, 5 or 4?
15.
Okay. After that, which is the biggest number?
10.
10. Okay. After 10, which is the biggest number? 5 or 4?
5.
5. And the last one is?
4.
4. Very good, Asra. Very good. Very good. Bhanu, you tell me answer for the F bit. Bhanu, for F bit. Bhanu, you need to unmute yourself. Yes, Bhanu, tell me which is the biggest number? 9, 13, 15 or 11?
15.
Then, after 15, which is the biggest number?
13.
Very good. Then?
9.
Then?
1.
Very good. Children, those who have completed, check your answers. Those who have completed, children, please check your answers. Okay, and now children, open page number 63. Children, come to page number 63.
Look.
Children, come to page
What is
number
the biggest,
63.
smallest number? लिखना मैं देख के बाद तुम लिखो रखना मैं बाद में प्रश्न करती हूँ
Children, come to page number 63. Question number 2 is there. Write their date and class work.
मैं बाद में देखती तुम लिखे बाद में
Yes, children, question number 2 is there. You have to write their date and class work. Okay? Write their date and class work, children. And then again, we have to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest and from biggest to smallest, children. Okay? Yes, so children, do one thing. On question number 2, write date and class work. Write date and class work, children. Okay? Yes. So children, your question number 2 is, you have to arrange the numbers in increasing order. Increasing order means when you have to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Increasing order means when you have to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest, children. Okay? So, see here, your first bit is, you have to arrange the numbers 14, 32 and 17. And you have to write the correct answer in the given blank space. Okay, children? So now, again we'll start comparing the number in tens place. We will start comparing the number in tens place, children. Right? So our first number is 14, then 32 and then 17. Right? So, Ronald, you tell me which is the smallest number here. We have to arrange them in increasing order. Increasing means from small to big. Ronald, tell me which is the smallest number here. 14, 32 or 17, Ronald?
Ma'am, in A or B or C or D?
A. Bit number A.
14.
14. Okay, Ronald, very good. After 14, what shall I write?
17.
Very good. And after 17?
32.
Very good, Ronald. Very good. Thank you so much. Yes, children, just keep on writing answers and check your answers also. Very good. Now, T. Suryansh, you tell me answer for B bit, T. Suryansh. Tell me answer for bit number B. Which is the smallest number, T. Suryansh?
Smallest number enter 9.
9, 12 or 28?
Small number ఏంటిది చెప్పు ఫాస్ట్ గా 9 గట్టిగా చెప్పు
9.
After 9?
12.
Very good. After 12?
28.
28. Very good, T. Suryansh. Very good. Very good. Tanaswiri, you tell me answer for bit number C. Which is the smallest number? 34, 41 or 17? 17. Then after 17? 41. Is this correct? Shall I write 41 here, Tanaswiri? Is this correct? Wrong. After 17, what you should write? 34 or 41? See the number in tens place, Tanaswiri. In 34, we have 3 in tens place, and in 41, we have 4 in tens place. Tanaswiri, tell me which is bigger, 3 or 4? So we will write here 34, and last one is 41. Okay. Okay, Tanaswiri. Pradiksha, you tell me answer for bit number D, Pradiksha. Which is the smallest number, Pratiksha? 14, 19 or 14?
14.
Very good. After 14, what we should write?
1990.
Very good. Then last one.
4141.
Very good, Pratiksha. 4141. Okay. Good girl. Yes, children. Now, next question. Question number 3 is there. And here you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending order means, sorry, you have to arrange the number in decreasing order. Decreasing order means when you have to arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. From biggest to smallest. Right, children? So, you have to write the biggest number first and then you have to write the smallest number. Again, I am repeating, children, when you have to arrange the numbers in decreasing order, you write the biggest number first. You will write the biggest number first. Okay? Okay, fine. So, Ayansh, you tell me answer for bit A. For A bit, Ayansh Gupta. Ayansh.
हाँ बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ayansh, tell me the biggest number here. 22, 36 or 9?
36.
Very good. Then, after 36, which is the biggest number? 22. Very good. Then, last one?
9.
Very good, Ayansh. Very good. 9. Very good. Ketan. Ketan, you tell me answer for bit number B, Ketan. Ketan?
Madam, Ketan is suffering fever, madam.
Oh, okay, sir. Take care of him, sir. Okay. Ashrita, you tell me answer for bit number B, Ashrita. Which is the biggest number, Ashrita? 24, 16 or 20?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ashrita.
20.
Biggest
20.
number, Ashrita. No, wrong. 24 is bigger or 20 is bigger? See, Ashrita.
24.
Yeah, 24. And then after 24, which is the biggest number after 24 here? Ashrita?
20.
Very good, 20. And then last one?
16.
Very good, 16. Very good, Ashrita. Hanvit, now you tell me answer for bit C. Which is the biggest number, Hanvit?
Yes, ma'am.
49, 36 or 50?
చెప్పు మరి is bigger.
Yes, Hanvit, which is the biggest number here? 50. Okay, after 50? Which is the biggest number after 50 here?
చెప్పు నెక్స్ట్ నంబర్ ఏంటి చెప్పు
49.
Very good. Then last one?
36.
36. Very good, Hanvit. Very good. Good. Okay. COVID, you tell me answer for the last one. Last bit. COVID, bit number D. Which is the biggest number here?
First is
15, 5 or 19, COVID?
first is 5.
No, I said biggest number, COVID, not smallest.
19.
Very good. Then, after 19, what shall I write? Very good. And the last one?
5.
Very good. So, children, those who have completed their work, please check your answers. Thank you, COVID. Very good. Children, please check your answers also. Yes, children, please check your answers. Okay. So now listen here, children. Those who have completed this work, I request you to come to page number. Okay, Advait, I can see your book. Very good, Advait. Yes, now children, I hope you all have completed your work. So I request you all to open page number 120. That is 120. Open page number 120, children. Open page number 120. Okay. Yes, children, I request you all to open page number 120. Yes, page number 120 is there, children. And on page number 120, if you will look at the bottom of the page, you have to look at the bottom of the page number 120. Then you can read, it is written there, numbers from 51 to 60. Numbers from 51 to 60. Yes, children. So open page number 120 and you all can see it's written there. Numbers from 51 to 60. Yes, children, it's there. It's written in your book. So just do one thing. There, write their date and classwork, children. Write their date and classwork on page number 120. So children, after this, you don't need to write anything in your book. Just listen what I am telling, what I am explaining. Just listen to that. Okay? Yes, children. So you all can look on my screen and simultaneously you have to look in your book also. Okay, children? Yes. So I hope you all can see what I am sharing on my screen. If you are unable to see, you can raise your hand, like you can wave. Option is there in your meeting, right? Okay, children. Now, see here. We have learned till now how to build the numbers. How to build the numbers with ones and tens concept till 50. Yes, children, we have learned till this much. So now, what we have to do is, we have to learn how to build numbers from 51 to 60 by using ones and tens concept. Okay, children? See, we all know that 10 ones is equals to 1, 10. 10 ones is equals to 1, 10. We all know this thing, children. So, and I have told you that 20 ones is equals to 2 tens. 20 ones is equals to 2 tens. 30 ones is equals to 3 tens. 30 ones is equals to 3 tens. 40 ones is equals to 4 tens. 40 ones is equals to 4 tens. And I have told you this also, that 50 ones is equals to 5 tens. I'm writing here on my screen. You all can see that 50 ones is equals to 5 tens. 5 tens. Okay? And children, you can see here in your book at the bottom of page number 120, you can see that there are 5 groups, or you can say there are 5 bundles of sticks. You can see here, this is the first group, this is the second group, third group, fourth group, and this is fifth group. Or you can call it looks like a bundle, or you can say it's a group. And in each group we have 10 can say in every group there are 10 ones or there are 10 sticks. There are 10 sticks. Okay, children. So how many groups do we have? We have here 5 groups, and in each group we have 10 ones. This means we have 50 ones. As we all know that 10 fives are 50. Okay. So there are 50 ones, which means that 50 ones is equals to 5 tens. 50 ones is equals to 5 tens, children. Okay. Okay. Now see here, in place of tens we can write here 5, because I have told you that 50 ones is equals to 5 tens, and we have here 5 groups, which is equals to 5 tens. 5 tens, you all can see here 5 tens. This means in tens place we can write 5. We can write 5. And how many sticks are there which is not included in the group? There is only one stick. So in ones place we will write 1. We will write 1 because there is only one stick which is kept separately. So we will write that 1 under ones. Okay, children. So the number is 5, 1, 51, and you can see here its number. This number is written in word forms also, like FIFTY 50 and ONE 1. Number in word form is also written there in your book, children. Now come to page number 121, children. 121 is there. Okay, again see in your book, again there are 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 groups are there, children, right? And in each group there are 10 ones. So this means 5 groups is equals to 5 tens. So again see here, children, in tens place we will write 5. And how many sticks are kept separately, children, which are not included in the group? 2 sticks are there which are not included in the group. This means in ones place we will write 2. So the number is 5 to 52. 5 to 52. And this number 5 to 52 is written in word form also. Right? Now we'll move to the number 5, 3, 53. See, children, again here. There are 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pradiksha, sit properly. Yes. So in tens place again we will write 5. And there are 3 sticks which are kept separately. Right. So in ones place we will write 3. So the number is 5, 3, 53. Okay. Now we'll move to the next one. Again, children, there are 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And in each group we have 10 ones. Right? So 50 ones is equals to 5 tens. So again in tens place we will write 5 here. And there are 4 sticks which are kept separately. Right? So in ones place we will write 4. So the number is 5, 4, 54. Right? Okay. Janvi, you tell me, Janvi, after 54, we have to build the next number. Janvi, tell me, how many groups are there, Janvi? Quickly. 5. So in tens place, we will write there 5. And how many sticks are kept separately, Janvi? 5. 5. Yes, 5 sticks are kept separately. So the number is 5, 5, 55. So the number is 5, 5, 55. Okay. Sai Ritvik, you tell me. Sai Ritvik.
Tell. Say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sai Ritvik, tell me in the next number, how many groups are there, Sai Ritvik?
How many is there? How many is there?
How many groups are there, or how many bundles are there, Sai Ritvik?
How many?